Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the bending process over the ultra high performance concrete with internal CFRP pipe as reinforcement. You can see this is CFRP pipe, and if I click on the results you can see the results first for the concrete. See, this is the concrete under 3 points bending. You can see that. So, and let's me to use this option. Just hold the concrete, request plastic strain for that or equivalent plastic strain. You can see, and also the displacement, the stress or everything. And let's me now check this CFRP pipe. This is CFRP pipe and this is displacement. The stress, Mises stress, you can see it is in compression, and this is the deformation, and the damage for the Hashing criterion for the matrix tensile, and we can check it for the for instance this is poly 1, and we can check it for poly 4, and you can see the poly 4 is more damaged than the poly 1, and also the compressive for the fiber, tensile for the fiber, you can see. And the goal of this simulation is achieve the maximum capacity of this beam. So already I plotted the force displacement diagram, and you can see the maximum is 0.8 meganewton, and after that the decrease happen in the force capacity, and here means failure. See, at this displacement the failure happen, and it will, if we continue the loading, it will achieve 0 for the force. Okay, so if you need the simulation of ultra high performance concrete and CFRP pipe with 4 layers, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorials. We have many English tutorials on our website, and they are provided for English users. You can click on title or blue sign, this is continue, and then you will have the title, short explanation about the geometry, material, interaction, step load, everything here, and then the result as figures. You can see that the cost for the CA I have in English video file step by step with some paper is $30. You can pay that with bitcoins. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. If you have PayPal account, this is a better way. And before that, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing through PayPal, Master, Bitcoin, and everything which you want. Thank you for attention.